Welcome! In front of me I have Mibro Watch GS Pro and I'm gonna show you how to track these steps or how to track amounts of steps taken on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. And once you wake up the screen, one of the ways to check the amounts of steps taken on your watch is to check it on the watch face. Some of the watch faces support this feature. Basically they have a step widget on them. As you can see here we have it, and you can check the amounts of steps taken right here. Another way to check it is to swipe left on the current watch face on the home screen to go to the list of widgets, and one of them widgets is gonna be activity widget, and here it is. That's how it looks like, and on it you have the calories burned, steps, and this I'm not sure what it is, the last one, the blue one, maybe energy or something like that. Okay, you can also press the home button to open the menu, find the activities icon, tap on it, and here we have again this graph, but you can also swipe up on the screen to get the more detailed information. We have the steps, the goal, today's steps, as you can see. You can also see some stuff like calories and stuff like that. Okay, if your watch is paired with a phone, you can also check this information in the phone application. So we can move this to the side, bring the phone that is paired with our watch, and on the phone we can open the Mibro Fit application. Okay, so let's open the Mibro Fit application. In the app you should see the home page, and here we have the activity widget, and we have the steps, calories and stuff like that. We can also tap on this activity widget to open more detailed information, and here we have the step count. We can tap on it and you have daily progress. You can check the weekly progress, monthly and yearly if you want to. So on the phone basically you can check more detailed information, and once you're done you can close the application. And that's how you check the step goal or track the steps, not step goal. That's how you track the amounts of steps taken on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.